Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again. Up next is my LIPS Assa Abloy CVB 2084 handcuffs. These bad boys have a fierce reputation and come under strict controls with extremely controlled sales. They are a single pawl design with utilise a non-universal key. The key mechanism is a delightful 4-lever design. The double lock can be applied by the key or by a lever to the rear of the handcuff. Now, there is a minor flaw with these cuffs. To pick lever locks you need to apply tension to the bolt. Well, you will be hard pressed to tension this lock like normal lever locks. But they forgot to remove the mechanical link between the pawl and the bolt. So if you squeeze the bow, you are tensioning the lock. Then using a diamond pick from my jackknife, it's just a case of shoving the levers up and in position. No false gates, so just lift and hope. Once the double lock is defeated, the pawls can be just hooked up and out of the way. Oops, almost forgot, these cuffs are an absolute cinch to shim. All of the security seems to have been plowed into the double lock. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in the next video.